3, 2, 1.
The viscosity of a liquid is a measure of what? The answer is C, resistance to flow. I'm a capital with a queen, not of hearts but of a nation. Which one am I? The answer is B, Washington, D.C. What is the duration of a sidereal day on Earth? The answer is A, 23 hours, 56 minutes. The process of microscope mountains and valleys on the surface of a material interacting with another material is called. The answer is D, friction. A thief broke into my house, but nothing was taken. What did the thief steal? The answer is A, peace of mind. What branch of science is based on the modern atomic theory, which states that all matter is composed of atoms? The answer is D, chemistry. Which particle has a rest mass that is approximately 0? The answer is A, photon. Who was the first person to walk on stilts? The answer is A, Leonardo da Vinci. What should a student do when a glass beaker shatters during a laboratory experiment? The answer is A, notify the teacher. Time Magazine's 2006 choice for Person of the Year caused a great stir and criticisms. Who won in 2006? The answer is C, you. What character did actor and director Mel Gibson voice in the 1995 animated movie Pocahontas? The answer is B, John Smith. How are cells able to produce the proteins required by certain conditions? The answer is C, by expressing existing genes. Which household item is used for measuring ingredients while cooking? The answer is A, cup. What never sleeps nor slumbers, holds no discussion, but has created more wealth than all the human race? The answer is A, the market. Which structure has the most steps? The answer is A, St. Peter's Basilica. In what 1977 competition did Lou Ferrigno place fourth? The answer is C, World's Strongest Man. The language of the Quran is Arabic. What is its name in Arabic? The answer is A, Al-Lughat al-Arabiya. In which century was the last leap year without a February 29? The answer is D, 20th century. Name of Mr. Drysdale's stepson on the Beverly Hillbillies who wanted to marry Ellie? The answer is D, Sonny. What is it that cuts without a blade? The answer is D. Barber. North Carolina State won the 1974 National Collegiate Athletic Association basketball championship, defeating which team? The answer is A. Marquette. What does a light year measure? The answer is C. Distance. What is Rick's last name in the 1942 movie set during World War II, Casablanca? The answer is A. Blaine. In the movie On Her Majesty's Secret Service, James Bond poses as which member of the College of Arms, a genealogical society? The answer is D. Sir Hilary Bray. The other ammonium ions are changed into nitrogen gas by what? The answer is D. Denitrifying bacteria. Who was the pilot on the popular television show The A-Team? The answer is A. Matt Murdock. What always stays in its corner and never gets out? The answer is D. Corner table. From which Inuyasha episode is the quote, "If you give me the jewel now, then I won't have to start sharpening my claws on you"? The answer is A. Episode 1. How many calories does whole milk contain per serving of 8 fluid ounces? The answer is C. 150. What is the process bacteria use to break down chemicals into food? The answer is B. Chemosynthesis. Which company introduced the world's first personal computer, the Altair 8800, in 1975?
The answer is C. Microsoft.
In Norse mythology, who was the trickster and god of mischief? The answer is C. Loki. Telescopes use which kind of lenses to enlarge images? The answer is D. Convex. What is a kitchen utensil used for stirring? The answer is A. Spoon. What is the speed at which light travels in a vacuum? The answer is C. 299,792 kilometers per second. What is the name of the celebration to mark the beginning of summer, which sometimes includes dancing around a pole and giving baskets of flowers to friends and family? The answer is A. May Day. Who was the first pitcher in Major League Baseball history to strike out over 3,000 batters, but to have less than 1,000 bases on balls? The answer is C. Ferguson Jenkins. Who was the Greek god of the sea and earthquakes? The answer is A. Poseidon. Which procedure helps modern nuclear physics convert lead into gold? The answer is C. Nuclear bombardment. Which instrument's sound is imitated by tink tink? The answer is D, cymbal. What is the successor of QWERTY as a standard keyboard layout? The answer is C, Colmac. Dermal, vascular, and ground tissue make up what part of plant, which bears the leaves, flowers, and fruits? The answer is D, stem. Which of these movies did not feature comic actor Jonathan Winters? The answer is A, Hollywood, 1989. What is the smallest unit of electric charge in physics? The answer is A, electron. What cannot be created or destroyed in a chemical reaction? The answer is B, matter. On what continent is the highest mountain in the world located? The answer is D, Asia. Which of the following types of music are not generally associated with Jamaica? The answer is C, calypso. How many teeth does an adult have? The answer is B, 32. What do bats use to determine the location of objects? The answer is C, echolocation. According to the ending credits of the movie Animal House, Boone and Katie got married in 1964 and divorced in what year?